Last year, Avis Automata was doing prototyping with nothing but a tape measure and a drill press.
And what we need is a CNC router, and we found one.
Before we used to have to cut out parts with snips, and now we can have it perfectly CNC'd out with the router. The upgrades of the router were probably easier to put on than we thought. I'd say we probably spent about 3 hours on it. First we started with the upgraded motors, and then that was pretty easy. So then we started to put the belts on. That wasn't too hard. And then we raised the Z-axis. We got the protecting walls on to go on the sides of the router. And then after that we put on the new Z-axis riser upgrade, and now it works great.
We replaced the bands and the bearings, which allowed it to move much smoother, and we also replaced the board at the bottom of the CNC router, giving it a new, clean look.
Everything easier with a CNC router, because you can cut out just whatever you want to cut out. It cuts out everything. It's all computerized, and you just program it into the computer and it just cuts it. It's magic.